Hey guys, in my last video, I showed you how to create a bootable USB drive using Rufus. Like I said, there are many ways of creating a USB drive that is bootable. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the official media creation tool from Microsoft to create a bootable USB. Now, one good thing about the media creation tool is that as you are doing the process, it can also do a Windows upgrade. All right. So let's say you have a Windows 10 version 22H2. It can do an upgrade onto Windows 11 22H2 or 23H2. So let's get into it. Now, after downloading the media creation tool, you launch it. This is how it looks like. So, for the terms and conditions, you just accept and continue. It will take a while, so be patient. Okay, so for here, since I chose English International for the setup already on this place, okay, so I'll use the recommended options. I'll click on next. Now this place, we have option for USB flash drive and ISO file. If you want the original ISO file for something else, you can select the ISO file. Okay. Now, if you want to make the USB bootable, you choose the USB. Okay. That's what we are doing today. You click on next. I've inserted my USB drive, so I'll select it and click on next. Now, at this stage, it is now downloading the Windows ISO. When it finishes downloading, it will directly install it onto the USB drive. Okay, as you can see, 1%. It depends on your internet connection. If you have a strong internet connection, it will go very fast. So, because the ISO file, at least it can be 4 gig, 5 gig. Okay, and now Windows 11 is approximately 6 gig. If you don't want this, watch my previous video on how to use the Rufus option. Okay, good. So it is done. Now we open our file explorer. We can see it here, Windows 11 International 2023 64-bit. Okay, good. That'll be all. Then you can use it for your Windows installation. Okay. If you find any difficulties or challenges along the way, you can leave a message. You can type it in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply. And if you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe for more content such as this. Thank you. So that'll be all for now. See you later.